Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're just doing a little bit of work here on this Jeep Wrangler. This particular one we're having to replace the heater core on. So got to pull the dash out, drain the heater core line, and go from there. But here's a quick time lapse of the process. Now to start off, basically the whole dash needs to come up and off and out of the way. So you just start removing screws. You've got some T30 Torx bits that go here, 3 of them. The rest are simply just 1/4 inch screws like this. Quite a few of them. You've got them here, a couple of Phillips heads here. This will pop off. More screws here. This whole section pops off from the glove box. Then you've got a panel here that just pops out, and then you've got quite a few screws behind it. Then the whole radio section just needs to come out. It lifts from the bottom, and then you've got a couple of screws up top. So as you can see here, there was no shortcut on this one. Steering column had to come out first, followed by the dash, and then I could pull out the entire air box. Here's the box itself. So in a lot of cases you can remove this section without pulling the entire box out of the car, but with this one it looks like the entire box has to be opened. So we had to remove the whole thing. So we'll pop open the box, replace the heater core, and pop it all back in.